you be quiet in the middle of my video?
Welcome back to another video. Today we will be playing Build a Boat for Treasure. It's a really fun game. I recommend you play it. So yeah, it's super fun. Okay, so and then we're gonna take this, sir. Launch now. Yes, sir. We control where I go.
Okay, can you come here? I'm gonna full rush green. Because green are just
Ooh, this is sick. Look, hey, look, guys. We go.
And then buy yourself whatever you want.
Oh, no.
Team stuff.
Oh, that's smashed, though. Oh, no. What? Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I did. Bro, I didn't even pass it, and then I just died. Bro, I just got 16. Okay, now we're gonna go to menu. I'm gonna go to somebody's team. Win.
Protection. How much time do you have? Nothing, just keep it.
Just allow me in. Come on, bro. They have more resources.
No.
Okay, no. I'm gonna do the overpoweredest thing.
Guess what just happened, right? Because the server's so laggy, this kid, right? He pushed me off with his like TNT thing, right? Guess what? I fell off, but I'm lagging back up.
Let me make it right here.
I'm TNT your bed. That's what I'm doing. Bed broken?
Have you ever guys heard like Kim Kardashian ever swing Roblox? Yeah, I heard it from Creecraft. I'm getting so mad she's swing Roblox. Nah, JK, she's not even doing anything. Yeah, she just said on the phone, like on Roblox to her husband.
Actually, get 4, right?
I don't know where her husband is. But on Roblox, it's just showing pictures of her crying. Literally just pictures of her.
Get 5 diamonds and get sharpness.
Pictures of her.
We need to go to bed.
Who even cares, my god?
Abraham, come on.
Bruh, who even
Fireball, you
cares?
throw a fireball like gas.
Who even cares about that?
Yeah, okay, you need to get TNT.
Like, why is she? It's just showing her crying. It's not like she's like that.
What are you doing?
You know, Roblox. Nah. Oh, if it hit. Wow, dude. Oh, helicopter. Oh, I pushed him. I really pushed him out. Helicopter. Guys, this game is actually addicting. It's fun. So guys, you should go check it out and stuff. Like, it's a fun game.
Abraham, help me rush.
This is the most overpowering. I could even think of. I played it like some. Bro, let's look at this guy's avatar.
You can kill him.
Bro, what is that? What is that? Bro, what is that? Bro, what the heck?
Yeah.
90 Robux. It was it's 3 Robux.
If you want, sure, but it'll look bad for me because I have it on my job. So you can make it yourself if you want. Oh no, that's fine.
You know, my brother has a new channel that has 11 subs, and I also have 11 subs already. He's been starting it for 2020. His old channel, 2021 I mean, and his old channel was so good. It had 52 subscribers. That's still hard to get. That's still good. Like everybody, like my dream is to get 100k subscribers, and now we might do it. And maybe it will happen. Maybe. We don't know the future. We just know it. We don't even know about anything. Guys, so while we're doing this, oh no way, I'm here.
Why do you think I win? Like I win 2 in a row. You just see that. That's how good I am.
Oh my. Oh. Do you see that, guys?
Abraham, look around. Abraham, look above you. Look above you. Look above you. See, look.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's me.
I'm about to win this. If you guys win this, I will give out all my pets in Pet Simulator X because I quit the game. Except not my friend, because he subscribed to me like, holy, I'm not gonna die. No, I died. How much money did we get though? I think we got a lot.
One of the players is level 5, one of his players level 5 and one's 21.
What does that do? Guys, what does that even do?
All speed bridge. It's a bridging method where you shift.
Guys, I had a video like 7 minutes ago, so you should go check it out. And guys, this game is so funny. I recommend. It's called Build the Boat to Survive. And guys, this is it for today's video.
I'll deal with this one. I'll deal with that one.
Peace. Peace, guys.